Hey everyone, and welcome back to Wealthy Coin. This is the real plan for this week's zero drop in Shib. The news today is about Shiba Inu. We'll talk about how exactly Shib will drop zero this week in this film. News about Shiba Inu today. Bulls could make up to 30 more money because of this breakout trade. Red night in the US. Shib Inu price is getting ready for a breakout move. There are several signs on the chart that point to a turning point. Here, bulls needs to take a chance if they want to use the energy to their liking. Let's start the movie right away, please. If you want to see our newest videos on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price predictions, don't forget to subscribe, share, and give it a thumbs up. During the European session, there are good changes in the price of the Shiba Inu. The price stayed above 0.100 on Wednesday thanks to support from the 200-day simple moving average or SMA. Bulls are bumping into the red declining trend line, which will be the way for a ship to break out. The 55-day SMA, which is just above 0.12,000, is the first strong level of support for the breakout. This means bulls can get back that psychological number if more tailwinds come in from the influential gaining expo. With 0.13 by Friday in its prediction, a ship could see more inflow. Even though the area below the 0.1 level, very bumpy with the monthly zone. The green rising trend line is the bigger downside risk. Also, the red line at 0.966 for the March low could set off a big move if it is broken. People who love Shiba Inu have pushed for SHIB tokens to be added to the biggest Japanese cryptocurrency markets. The Bitflyer, with more than 2.5 million users, one of Japan's biggest markets, said it would start letting people trade SHIB tokens. There are more and more Shiba Inu on the market. It is now the second most popular joke coin in the world. Today, March 22, Bitfly was in the news. The Japanese business hasn't said much about its strategy yet, but it did say that there would be a celebration of SHIB handling with a prize pool of 10,000 Japanese yen for 20 lucky winners. The event will begin on March 22. As the first Japanese cryptocurrency exchange, Bitflyer wasn't in charge of SHIB transfers when it took over the SHIB. Finally, on February 28, the Japanese branch of Kucoin, an exchange based in San Francisco, started taking care of SHIB transfers. However, the exchange also said that the Shiba Inu listing had gotten positive feedback in a different way. It took a lot longer for the Shiba Inu to burn, whose value went up by 4,600. The number of tokens that are taken out of circulation is called the burn rate. In theory, this should make the cryptocurrency more valuable because the supply is being reduced. But buyers are confused because the price of Shiba Inu hasn't changed at all. It's currently trading at 0.187 and has a market cap of $6.04 billion. Even though the market for cryptocurrencies as a whole has gone up this month, the price of the SHIB has been going up and down a bit over the past 2 weeks, but Shibu chose not to buy more, which shows that traders and buyers don't know what the future holds for cryptocurrencies. Before Sharam comes out, there are other projects that the Shiba Inu core development team needs to finish. This is why they have been slow to release Sharam. Shib, the much-anticipated metaverse, is set to launch on the Sharian platform, and David Jin, a well-known Shy fan, recently said that his bet that Shib would price at 1 cent is still valid. Balagazin, meanwhile, thinks that the price of Bitcoin will reach $1 billion. But the current price of SHIB would go up by a huge 100 times if Jin hadn't promised to delete his Twitter account, which has 700,000 followers. Some experts are still optimistic about Inu, even though it has moved very slowly during the recent market rally. A wallet that holds a lot of cryptocurrency and Shiba Inu tokens is sending money to markets. From what we know about the past, if the owner of the tokens decided to sell them, the value would probably go down soon during Monday's Asian. Wallet 66 sent more than $18.82 billion worth of Shiba Inu coins to Gemini and Crypto.com in the early morning. The same wallet sent more than $200 billion SHIB to Crypto.com 3 months ago, where they were sold for $. The price of SHIB dropped by 7 at the time. According to data from the analytics company Kucoin, tokens that are moved from wallets that hold a lot of stock can be used to measure how prices are changing. If a lot of tokens are bought and sold, the price might go down because there will be more tokens on the market after they are moved to the right decentralized finance apps. This drop might not happen right away, though. More scan data shows that the wallet's X6 holds more than 3.1 trillion Shiba tokens, which are worth around $40 million right now. This is a little more than 0.3 of all the Shibu pieces that are in circulation. According to the Inu tokens that show up on chain, the wallet bought Inu tokens in August 2020 for 10 Ether, which was a little more than $3,000. The price of Inu coin has been going up and down. Even though the price of Bitcoin has gone up, Bitcoin is still having trouble breaking through the $28,000 mark, but the joke coin is now behind most other cryptocurrencies. The Shib price chart looks like the calm before the storm as investors wait for the launch of its Layer 2 network on Friday. The well-known joke coin is currently worth 0.167 as of this writing. It's only 0.85 above its monthly low, 32 below its eddy. The price of the Shib's current highs look like they are in a sideways accumulation pattern, which means that a big move may be coming soon. The eagerly expected launch of the 2 blockchain has been the focus of most Shib news lately. This has become one of the most anticipated events in the cryptocurrency community and could push the price of the Shiba Inu coin higher. As of now, the new blockchain's makers have not said when its mainnet will go live. They are still keeping things secret. The Koyo token is a decentralized finance project built on the Ethereum blockchain. Its goal is to create a place where people can use different financial services, like lending, borrowing, and staking, without going through a central authority. The public has been afraid to bet on the network since March 11. However, the use of a chain IT for an existing blockchain has slowed down the excitement about the new coin blockchain. As a member of the group said in the Discord, the price has made a lower low on the daily chart, this shown in the next Shib chart. Analysts see this as a sign of weakness and the start of a possible decline from a technical point of view. The price is also staying below the support level of 0.1086 and trading below its 200-day moving average. It's crazy that 4,631 billion Shiba have been wasted on the project. Even though the token has a market cap of only 8.4 million and is ranked 3,180 on CoinMarketCap. The large number of Inu tokens, about $50,000 in the last 10 days, has played a big role in the Shib's destruction over the last 2 weeks. Some people have even questioned whether or not the numbers are correct, but the Shinshu dedicated burn tracker recently confirmed the numbers. That's all we have to say about today. Do not forget to subscribe, share, and give us a thumbs up if you want to see our newest movies. Burn portals were used to get rid of Shibu coins. Some burn Shib tokens can be tied to a Koyo token address. This is proof that the tokens were burned.